Well, hello there. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have for you an H&R single shot full choke 16 gauge shotgun. One of my recent purchases. This gun, a little older. It's a model 148. I'll show you that the right way up there. Model 148. No serial number. It's got a rebounding hammer. It's a pretty nice gun. I got it at a decent price. One more look here. And unfortunately, for some reason, Federal makes the shells in purple. But that's okay. And today, we will be shooting Federal 16 gauge, 2 3/4, number 6 shot, game loads. So today, let's get you set up. Today we'll be shooting at the normal ranges of 20 and 50 yards. I don't know how well the 16 gauge is going to do at 50, but we'll see. Whoa, there we go. Almost lost you guys there. If you can tell, it's quite windy out here today, so bear with the wind. I'm trying to. Sun keeps popping in and out. Pretty cloudy day. A couple of shells out here. Alright, here we go. Do the first shot at 20 yards, huh? H&R model 148, 16 gauge, full choke, 20 yards. I love the H&R and the New England line of single shot shotguns because I like how they eject the shells. They pop completely out of the gun. Maybe I'll see if I can, at the end, get you guys a picture of that. Because other shotguns, they just pop it up a little bit and you got to pull it out by hand. This way, if you shoot at a rabbit and you just happen to miss, you can at least pop the shell completely out and throw another one right in. I even shot trap with my 20 gauge New England one time. Worked out pretty well. Alright, well, let's take one more at 20. H&R 16 gauge, model 148. With a full choke, 20 yards. Alright, let's take it out to 50 yards and see if we put anything on it. 50's asking a little much for shotguns, but you never know. Some shots, like this number 6 shot, should do pretty good for the most part. Some pattern really well at 50 yards, some don't. And stay tuned for upcoming videos on especially the H&Rs, because most of my H&Rs, I think they all have full chokes. So I'm going to try to get the same brand, the same shot size, and then we're going to pattern these shotguns out at range. So stay tuned for that video. Alright, H&R, model 148, 16 gauge, full choke at 50 yards. Well, put something on there. Do one more, see what we get. Sure you guys can see it better than I can. Well, it's definitely hitting it because it's definitely swinging. Alright, let's do one more. Well, we'll do 2 more at 20 yards. How about that? Okay, don't know what happened there. Drop the hammer. Well, okay, try that again. Okay, we're having a little issue here. Not exactly sure why. Well, it's hitting the primer. I don't know if we got a dud here. Never had a dud in a shotgun shell at the factory before. Okay. Well, take that shell out and get another one. Huh. That's odd. See if the next one works. Yes, it did. Must be a bad primer. Well, ain't that something? Well, there's first time for everything. I ain't gonna say I never had it happen before. But yeah, okay, let's try to roll. We'll try it one more time. See if she works. Reorient it a little bit. Alright, fingers crossed, we'll see if she works. There she went off. Okay, don't understand what was going on there, but why the heck not? Always got to be something, right? Always got to be something. Can't never be easy. Alright. See if we can back us up. I wanted to show you guys that ejection. I don't know if you'll be able to catch it on camera here, but as soon as you break this gun, that shell goes. So that's the nice thing about the H&Rs. Take another good look at her. There you go. Said H&R model 148 with a full choke. Had a little trouble with one round. I don't know if it's just a semi-bad primer or what it was. First time I had it not go off. And I think I just got this gun not too long ago, and I put 2 boxes of shells out of it, and I got 10 rounds out of this box. So who knows? Things happen. Well, there you have it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Keystone Survival.
That's what it's supposed to look like!